Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stick bag in the forest. First, gather your essential materials. Look for about 10 to 12 strong, flexible sticks, roughly 1 inch in diameter and 2 to 3 feet long. Next, find sturdy vines, bark strips, or natural cordage that can be used for binding. Make sure all your collected materials are dry and free from decay for maximum durability. Now, let's build the basic frame of your stick bag. Lay out 4 of your longest sticks to form a rectangular or square base. Use your cordage to tightly bind the corners where the sticks meet, creating a strong foundation. Then, attach 4 to 6 shorter sticks vertically at each corner and along the sides, extending upwards to define the bag's height. With your frame established, it's time to weave the sides of your bag. Take smaller, more flexible sticks and begin weaving them horizontally through the vertical supports. Alternate your weaving pattern, going over one stick and under the next, to create a strong, interlocking structure. Continue this process, working your way up until your bag reaches the desired height and is sturdy. To complete your stick bag, create a sturdy handle. Bind 2 longer, flexible sticks together at their ends and attach them securely to the top of your bag's frame. Double-check all your bindings and reinforce any areas that seem weak with additional cordage to ensure your bag can carry heavy loads. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Your new, handmade stick bag is now ready for use in the forest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.